Start Manita. Yes, Ra. Ecology. In ecology unit, first chapter is organism and population. Who will speak that one? What is meant by ecology? Okay. So ecology, the word is came from one of the Latin word, that is ecology. Ecology is came from one of the Latin word that is called ecos or icos anta karitivi. Icos means what? House. Okay. So logy. Logy means what? Study. It is also important for statement type questions they can ask. Statement type of the questions they can ask, what is the meaning of that ecology, means what? Okay, na? The study of the house. But it is not proper definition, but what is the meaning of ecology means the study of relationship among the organism and relationship between organisms and its environment is called the as ecology. This is the perfect definition of ecology. So relationship among the organism and relationship between organism and its environment is totally we can call them as ecology. Ecology, the word is coined by Haeckel. Haeckel is coined the term ecology. Haeckel coined the term ecology. He only coined the term ecology. And Ritter is called father of ecology. Father of ecology. This is important, father of ecology. But what about on our India? Ramdev Mishra. Ramdev Mishra is the father of ecology of India. Ecology of India. Ramdev Mishra. Idra introduction. Did you observe that one sometimes when you are sitting in our lawn or when you are went to our home, morning time, the environment is very peaceful, correct? In that time after the mouthwash we are sitting, suppose in front of house any lawn is there, we are sitting, okay? And in that time only newspaper is came and we are reading that one, the newspaper. But in that time our mother or father, they will completely give that one the tea. But on that time, are you observe that one? Suppose in front of our house any trees are so there, in that one some birds will come and they are making the sound. Did you observe that? Did you observe that? Yes. But why they are making their noise? But why they are making the noise? But any interaction is there or any meaning is there in that one means? Yes, it is a meaning is there. Okay? But sometimes if you are having the knowledge about the ecology, we will get that one the doubt. Why this bird is making the sound? How they will make the sound? How the sound will come? And why they are making the sound? These are the questions, definitely will get it that. Anybody? Why they are making their sound if they are present on the tree? Very good. Yes, because they are completely attracting the opposite bird by making the sound. Correct? By making the sound, they are attracting that one, the opposite bird. Correct? Suppose male is making that one, the sound means what? Yes, they are attracting that one, the female. Because it is a time for breeding. Correct? This breeding time, nalli, okay na? They won't call that one the female. That's why they are make that one the different sound. Even also, did you observe in the winter, in the rainy season? Rainy season also, are you observe that one? Frog sound we can get it more. Correct? If frogs nalli male and female both are there, come on, which one is make that voice? male only. Why? Because they have the vocal cords wrong. Correct? Vocal cords are there. But in that one breeding time, that's why to call that one the female and they make the noise. Correct? Same birds also like that only. So what is the meaning for that one? Means yes, it is a mating time. Okay, later we got that. But why? But how they'll make the noise? Come on, how they can make the noise? They are having any sound box? They don't have any sound box. Like vocal cords we have now. Vocal cords we have. For example, parrot is there. Parrot also they can make the sound. Correct? What is the name? Synix. Synix is present. SYNIX. Synix is present in the parrot. But other birds also having like that means no. Generally they are having the normal box only, but they are having vibrated bones are there. By the vibrated bones and they are making their noise. This is about the correct. Understood? So like this one, so ecology means totally the relationship among the organism. Because in between the organism also, in between the you also relationship is there. Correct? For your requirement, for your needs also you are interacting with your friend. Plus, and you are also interacting along with that one the environment also. Adhikara. So if you are getting the sweating means what? Immediately you respond to that one environment and immediately you will switch on that one the fan. Correct? So this is about the interaction. Interaction occur between the organism and interaction between organism and its environment. All are together called the as ecology. Well, a statement type. Adhike prati word artha madkobeku. Adhike I am giving that one some of the good information. Okay. So this one also you should remember. Reiter is called the as father of ecology, but Mishra. Idu one time also they not asked in your, but maybe suspected question A. Ramdeo Mishra is the father of Indian ecology. Is also suspected question A. They will give for statement like questions wrong. Okay, now we are discussing about what are the levels of biological organization. Okay. Next one is levels of biological organization. Levels of biological organization. Let us we have to biological organization. How many levels are there? Organization. Biological organizationally. Can you speak out how many levels are there? 4 levels are there. So, these 4 levels nalli first of all in the organisms. Next one in the second level in population. A group of population is what we can call community, and a group of community is what we can call biome. 4 levels are there in the biological organization. So biological organizationally very important. So organism is the smallest unit of ecology. Smallest unit of ecology. Ecology nalli smallest unit andre. Idunu suspected question era. Organism, it is the smallest unit of the ecology. Clear? So without organism there is no population. Correct? Wrong? A group of the organism is what we can call population. A group of population is what we can call community. A group of population is called community and a group of community is what we can call biome. Biome, that one. Clear? Particularly smallest unity that is called organism only. Okay, then we have to discuss about biome bagge discuss madbekara. Okay na? Idu bagge only definitions directly ra. Okay, organisms and population. Population means a group of organism. A group of organism. Okay na? Here only you have to write a group of organisms. We can call them as a group of organisms. For example, organisms andre human is there. A group of human beings we can call human population and the correct? It is called human population and the okay na? So community means what? A group of what? Populations. A group of populations we can call them as communities and the suppose the human population is there, animal population is there. Understood? Animal population, human population ivella seri, or birds population ivella seri one community anta karitira. Okay, next one biome. What is mean by biome? Let us we have to discuss little in detail. Okay? So large naturally occurring community of flora and fauna. Community of flora and fauna present in a given habitat. Present in a given habitat. Okay, so that is called biome anta karitara. So biome, large naturally occurring communities or community of flora and fauna. Andre indirectly meaning biome andrinda a group of communities. A group of communities is present in a habitat. Present in a habitat. Andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ habitat ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Habitat ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So habitat plus all different type of communities ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ we can call them as biome. Can you give the normal example of biome? Biome ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ that is called them as forest. That is called which forest? Tropical forest. Correct? Tropical rain forest will come. Next one. Yes, desert also will come. Desert and tundras. Tundras also will come. This is about the some of the examples of biome anta helboda. Okay? Tropical rain forest. Andre it is one of the habitat. Idralli different plants are present. Best example for a tropical rain forest, Amazon forest. Correct? Wrong? Okay. So tropical means what? It is present near to the equator or away from the each other? Away from the equator? Near to the equator. Near to the equator nalli enido aa region ge eni sarapa tropical region anta kirtivi. Adralli ide forest now tropical rain forest anta kirtira. Plus desert and tundra. What is meant by tundra? Treeless Arctic region. Very important. Treeless Arctic region. Idralli no trees. Treeless Arctic region we can call tundras anta karitira. Okay? You know that one India is one of the subcontinent. India is a subcontinent. But it is one of the country in a Asian continent. Correct? But generally one continent nalli ಏನೇನು atmospheric conditions ಇರುತ್ತೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲೇ ಆ climatic conditions ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Why India is called subcontinent means? Okay? Yes, we are completely divided into North India, South India and yes, okay na? So East and West also there and Northeast states also there. Did you observe? Different climate. Suppose if you want to see the high temperature condition, no need to go any Sahara desert or no need to go any other place. Where you have to come? You have to come to South India or Rajasthan also. You can go that one. Correct? If you want to see the desert also, no need to go to Africa. Correct? Just you have to come to which one? Rajasthan alli Thar desert is there. And if you want to see that one, the glacier, or if you want to see that one, the ice, where you have to go? You have to go to the Switzerland. No need to go to Switzerland. Just you have to go. Yes, North India andre yav place go hoguttappa? Shimla and Kashmir. If you want to see that one, the good rainforest, if you want to see means no need to go there and just namma Karnatakadalli ide plus namma pakka state Andhra Pradesh nalli ide Nallamala forest anta takshana idu dodda tropical rainforest correct? Namma Bandipur also it is a one type of forest. It is also comes under rainforest. Correct? If you want to see that one good rain, good monsoon, if you want to see, no need to go that one Amazon forest ge hokagilla. Just you have to go that one the northeast states andre enda what is the name? Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, place. Adralli which one is having the highest monsoon recorded in every year? Masindram. Correct? Masindram nalli highest which one is there? Highest monsoon is recording that. Masindram, where it is there? Which one? Meghalaya ಇದೆ. ನೆನಪಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ different places are there in our India. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ India is also having the different biomes are there. Clear? So these are about the complete concept. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ all are statement type questions. Okay? So biome is the last ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. And the smallest is which one? Organisms. Okay? Okay, we have to discuss about organisms and its environment. Organisms and its environment. Organisms and its environment. But in this one, first we can discuss about species ecology. species ecology. Sorry, that is called physiological ecology. Physiological ecology. Physiological ecology means what? Okay, ecology at species level. Ecology at species level. Ecology at species level is we can call physiological ecology anta kariti. Ee physiological ecology is used to, it is completely used to how the organisms, okay na, so how the organisms can survive and reproduce in its habitat. Okay, it is used to understand how the organisms can survive and reproduce in its habitat. That is called physiological ecology anta karitira. Okay, physiological ecology. Okay, next one more technical term also you have to completely, ecological niche. Ecological niche anta one of the technical term also they can give. Niche means what? It represents habitat. It represents particular habitat. It represents particular habitat and trophic level of species. It represents particular habitat. So habitat ಬಗ್ಗೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ecological niche ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Ecological niche ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, ಈಗ next in this one we have to discuss different type of biomes. Once again we have to discuss biomes. So biomes are different types. A different type of biomes we have to completely explain with the help of one of the graph. Okay, so ee biomes nalli tropical rainforest will come. Next one, desert will come. Temperate forest will come. Very good, temperate forest. Okay na? Yes, alpine tundras and coniferous forest will come. Okay, grassland area also will come. Estuaries also will come. Estuaries andre enra? What is mean by estuaries? Estuaries andre where the river can fused with the sea water, ಆ place ಗೆ estuaries ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Where the river can combined with the sea water, that is called estuaries. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ also one of the small biome we can observe. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ different biomes are there. Okay, so and one more thing, in our India not only rainforest, even deciduous forest also there are. What is meant by deciduous forest? Deciduous forest they are not given. Deciduous forest means leaf falling forest. Enanta kartivi deciduous forest. Plus in our India also hot thermal springs also there are. Did you observe, if you are go to the north region, some of the areas nalli water always boiling agutappa. This is called hot water thermal springs anta karitare. And if you want to see the sea coastal area baribekandre, no need to go that one any Thailand or any other, just you have to come to that one, our Karnataka only, correct? Coastal region is there, Arabian coastal region is there, correct? So totally, even if you want to see that one, the deep of the sea, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೇನು, yes it is there in our habitat only, correct? So that's why India is a subcontinental ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ, because it is having the different habitats. Different type of habitats are completely present under different type of biomes. So this time I am suspecting one question from this graph. ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ, you see, based upon the sedimentation based upon the temperature, based upon the precipitation. What is meant by precipitation?
Rainfall.
Very good, rainfall and temperature, based on this, and we are dividing the different type of biomes. Correct? E biomes nallira, always you have to think that one. Okay, I am giving the tabular column as it is, you have to practice that one also. Okay, so different biomes. Biomes nalli, what about the temperature is there? What is the monsoon? Andre precipitation is present. I can give that one of the small tabular column. Okay, but either this one they may ask either in the form of match the following questions or directly statement type of the question also. Okay, so here type of biome at one side. Next one, here temperature, what are the temperature is present, and what is the precipitation, what type of precipitation is present. We can easily, if you want to remember, just you have to learn this tabular column. So first of all, desert nalli, what are the temperature is present? What are the temperature is present in the desert nalli ra? Okay, so 5 to 25 degrees is normal time nalli, but in the, if they will enter into that one, the summer season, up to 50-60 degrees centigrade varaganu irutte, idu normal. Okay, and what about the precipitation? Come on now, how much precipitation is present? Same, 5 in the 22 centimeters precipitation matra we can observe. Very less precipitation also we can observe in the desert. Okay, next one, tropical rainforest nalli, what is the temperature is present? Do you know? 25 to up to 35 degrees centigrade is present. But ade tropical rainforest nalli, come on da, precipitation is lowest or highest? Highest is present, that is about 150 to up to 450 centimeters also it will be present. Ade temperate forest, if you are completely observed, temperate region andre enda near to polar region, correct? Near to polar region ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? Temperate regions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆರ್ temperate forest. ಈ temperate forest ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 8 to 22 degrees centigrade ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ precipitation how much? That is called 50 to 200 centimeters ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು temperate forest. After the temperate forest, next one ಏನು? Coniferous forest. ಈ coniferous forest ನಲ್ಲಿ what is the temperature? The temperature is okay 1 to 15 degree centigrade ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, and what about the precipitation? 15 to 250 centimeters of precipitation ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ next one, grassland. ಈ grassland forest ನಲ್ಲಿ we can observe what is the okay, what is the means that is called 1 to 25 degree centigrade is present, and it is commonly having 25 to 150 centimeters of precipitation is present. And last one, alpine tundras. Alpine region nalli tundras, idaರಲ್ಲಿ 0 to 1 degree centigrade is present. 0 to 1 degree centigrade is present, and totally precipitation also how much means that is called, it is having 75 to 125 centimeters is present. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲಿ ಈ 6 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 6-1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ KCT ಆರ್ ನೀಟ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ದ precipitation in the y-axis, correct? Precipitation is the mean annual, which one? Temperature, mean annual temperature, okay? So just to, you have to add like this one, this is called what? desert, and what is the name of this? Okay, so ee taraha one of the tabular column is there. ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಲೇಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಥರ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮೊದಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ ಟು 450 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ -15 ಮೊದಲ್ಕೊಂಡು -15 ಎಸ್ -10 -5 0 ಮೊದಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ ಟು +30 ವರೆಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. 30 ವರೆಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೇ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. Come on, which one is having, which forests are having more precipitation? Very good. That's why ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು tropical rain forest? Yes, this one is a tropical rain forest. Correct. This is called tropical rain forest. Correct. So here you see very less temperature, very less precipitation is present. Precipitation very less ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು? ಇದು desert ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. This one is what we can call grassland. Correct. This one is what we can call coniferous. Correct. This is called coniferous forest. And what is the name of this one now? Temperate forest. This is called temperate forest anta helbodu. And one more forest also there. This is called what? Yes, this is called alpine tundras. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರನೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೂ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಮೀನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಯೋಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಈ ಬಯೋಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎರಡೂ ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಎಸ್, ಈವನ್ 22 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ವರೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕಡಿಮೆನೂ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಪರ್ ಆ್ಯನಮ್. ಇದು ಪರ್ ಆ್ಯನಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ 22 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಡೇಗೆ 22 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಪರ್ ಡೇಗೆ 22 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ 4 or 5 hours ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ ಆಯಿತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕಲ್ ರೈನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 150 450 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 150 ಮೊದಲ್ಕೊಂಡು 450 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್? What is the degree centigrade where it will expand? 8 to 22 centimeters. 8 to 22 degree centigrade is present. 8 to 22 degree centigrade is present in the which forest? 20. Yes. Ade precipitation matra 15 to 200 centimeters is there. Understood? Okay. Yaudo ಒಂದು clue, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು okay ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ at least 1 or 2 if you are remember means what remaining also automatically ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡೇ, ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡೇ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮಿಂದನೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರಹ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್. ಈಗ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಈ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕಮಾನ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾನ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್? ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್? Yes, first of all in the temperature, second water, third very good light, and the fourth one soil. These are the more major which one are abiotic factors. Clear? ಈ abiotic factors very very important. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ statement type questions. Statement type of questions only majoritarily they can ask from this concept. Okay, so that's why ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ವಿಚ್ ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಎಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. Temperature. It is a mainly more ecologically relevant environmental factor. It is a ecologically relevant EN factor under environmental factor. It is the most ecologically. Because the temperature plays an important role. What is the importance of the temperature? Temperature is completely maintained. Basal metabolism, comma, physiological activities. Physiological activities. So it regulates anta barbodu. Andre temperature is regulates basal metabolism and physiological activities. Why? Because particular temperature nalli matra our enzymes can be active. Correct? Suppose what is the optimal temperature of human body? 37 degrees centigrade. Correct? But sometimes our body temperature is hiked to up to 40 above. At time nalli you nodabodu total warm conditions, totally very 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 high temperature is there. At time nalli our parents are do the first aid. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ವೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ವೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ವೈ? ಇಫ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಇನ್ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ದ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ 37 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್. Mainly 25 to 35 degree centigrade is the optimal temperature for enzyme activity. Adike it is called optimal temperature anta helbodu. Correct? What is the optimal temperature for enzymes? 25 to 35. Adike our body temperature 35 or 37 degree centigrade is there. Correct? But it will be beyond of that one, 40 degree centigrade. 40 degree centigrade kandre jaasti aitandre very danger to our body. Adike somebody by placing that on the petrol and diesel, they are burning their body. Suicide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಆ ಥರ. ಆ ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೋಟಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗೇನು ಆ ಬಿಸಿಗೆ ಆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಡೆತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಇರ, ಈವನ್ ಲೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೇಂಜರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಲೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೇಂಜರ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಲೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿರಾ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ವೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ವಿತೌಟ್ ವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ದೇ ವೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ highest fighting station is there, a hill station is there, gota? Highest hill station is there, Vedas, that is called Siachen. Siachen is the highest hill station, even total in the world nalli ishtu dodda ಹಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ನಲ್ಲೇ, ಝೀರೋನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ಸೇ, -1, -5, -10, like that 1 degree centigrade is there. But our temperature also our soldiers are doing their duties in that hill station. Why sir they are taking the duty, or they are doing the duty in that one? Why they have to leave that, if once we have to leave means what? ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಪಕ್ಕ ದೇಶವರು, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಚೈನಾ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದು ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೇಸಲ್ ಮೆಟಬಾಲಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಿಸಿಯಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್, come on now, temperature is varies, okay, yes, varies from, varies seasonally ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, seasonally varies ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ it decreases, come on, the temperature decreases from plain region to which region now? Higher altitude. Plain region ಇಂದ higher altitude ಹೋಗುವಾಗ, okay, which one is decreases? Temperature is decreases, correct? From equator to plain or equator to which region? The polar region. ಈ ಟೂ ಸಿಚುವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡು, ಬೇಸಲ್ ಮೆಟಬಾಲಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಸಮ್ಮರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 50 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. If you are go to that one, the hot thermal springs, ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಟ್ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 100 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು 2 types. ಇದೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನೇ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಎಸ್, ಯೂರಿಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೀನೋಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್, ಯೂರಿಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೀನೋಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸೇಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಯೂರಿಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಯೂರಿಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಾಲರೇಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, wide range of temperature, but in your competitive exam ಮಾತ್ರ examples ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Come on, can you give the example of ಯೂರಿಥರ್ಮಲ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಂದರೆ toads also, and wall lizard also can tolerate, and human also can tolerate. We can also tolerate that one, the ಯೂರಿಥರ್ಮಲ್, the wide range of temperature also. But steenothermal means what? They can tolerate just narrow range. So narrow range of temperature only they can tolerate, narrow range of temperature. What is the best example for steenothermal? Steenothermal ge example enandre fishes, correct? Fishes are the best example for that, and molluscans also. Fishes and molluscans is the best example. Okay, so always remember uri means what? EW ಎರಡು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತರ. ವೈಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ EW ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ SN ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು, ಸ್ಟೀನೋಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ರೇಂಜ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ವೈಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೋರ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನ್ಯಾರೋ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಲೆಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಾಲರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್. ಓಕೆ, so based upon the tolerance of the temperature, and organisms can be divided into different types, that is called megatherms, okay, that is called mesotherms, microtherms, hekistotherms. So megatherms andre they are living in the which region? Tropical region. Tropical regionally those animals are living, that is called megatherms. Mesotherms andre they are living in temperate region, that is called temperate regions. And microtherms it is subtropical region. They are micro means they are living in temperate region alliದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ hekistotherms ಅಂದ್ರೆ alpine and tundras ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is called hekistotherms. ಇದು match the following question they can ask, match the following. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ meaning megatherms ಅಂದ್ರೆ they can tolerate the high temperature also, they can tolerate the high temperature, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ they are living in the which region? Tropical region. ಅದೇ subtropical region. India is a tropical region or subtropical region? Subtropical region. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ equator region it will be go to our India ಮೇಲೆಯಿಂದ equator region ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. But which one is moving? Come on, which one is moving? Which latitude is moving? Do you know? First of all, Earth is having that one, okay? We are dividing that one, this is called equator. And one more is there, one more equator is there, 23.5 north, 23.5 south. North ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರು? Capricorn ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ, okay na? This one is called Tropic of Cancer. Correct? So our region is present in the Capricorn or Cancer region? Cancer region ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Cancer region ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪ್ರಿಕಾನ್ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಮೇಲಿದ ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದಯ ಆಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಎಸ್ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್, ಇದು ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಪ್ರಿಕಾನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಡೌಟಾ? ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಹೌ 23.5 north is moving or 23.5 south is moving? North is or south is moving? Which one? North or south? Okay, so that is about the north era, south alla. North is moving that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಂದ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ರೀಜನ್ಗೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, 0 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Hekistotherms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಜನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಪೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಟಂಡ್ರಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಡು ಯು ನೋ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್? ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಇದನ್ನು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Want of ಅಂತ scientist what they are told means every 10 degrees centigrade. So hiking off, okay na, if you are completely increase, we have to hike that one, the temperature 10 degrees, it will be increase the which one? Okay, activities or physiological activities ಆರ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ 10 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ 10 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸಿಂದ 20 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 20ಇಂದ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ 30ಇಂದ 40 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬಯೋಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ activities are going on, it will be also completely double ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But more than 40 degrees centigrade, what it causes? More than 40 degrees centigrade, come on. Yes, it causes what? It causes decline the metabolic activity. Why? Because more than 40 degrees centigrade, come on, what are the enzymes are there? It become degenerate. That's why more than 40 degrees centigrade ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Okay, so enzyme activity decline ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus okay, ಫಿಸಿಯಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. ಎವ್ರಿ 10 degrees ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಹೈಕಿಂಗ್, ಕಮಾನ್, ಮೆಟಬಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಡಬಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಅದು ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್? 40 degrees ವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 40 degrees ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಸಲ್ ಮೆಟಬಾಲಿಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 40 degrees ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಜೆನರೇಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಅನ್ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಇದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ. ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾರ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸನಾ. ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಗಾಥಾಮ್ಸ್, ಮೀಸೋಥಾಮ್ಸ್, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಥಾಮ್ಸ್, ಹೆಕಿಸ್ಟೋಥಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೇನೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇಜರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ biology study hour is there, means botany, zoology study hour is there today. Yes. Okay, stop.